Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So today's video is going to feature a variety of modern DIY trends and styles. So if you do feel inspired by any of these, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest design trends. Love this artwork piece, followed by this DIY bubble candle. Next up, we have a vase design. Now this is very popular on TikTok. So we already saw the after for this particular project. She does end up doing a face out of the clay. And what I actually really liked was the original coloring of the clay. I thought that this rust color was really pretty. But she does end up painting over that. Came out nice, but I was really intrigued by that rust coloring. And then we have someone making a basket or vase. So she used some paper for this, did like the braiding method. And what I like about this DIY is you can use it for numerous different projects. And then we have the wooden garland bead here. And you can use this project once again for numerous different decor pieces throughout your home. You can hang it on your door, you can just lay it across the table just to kind of like accent it and give it like that bohemian feel. A lot of people like to hang them on their doors though. I've seen that very frequently. And then we have someone making some type of sign here. Wash your hands. So I'm guessing this is for the bathroom. Do you guys remember a few years ago where it was such a huge trend to have like a sign like everywhere you looked? It was like live, life, love. Just everywhere you went, it was like a little sign you would just see. This is cute with the stars though. So there she is placing that in the bathroom. It's a cute little decor piece too if you have kids. It's like a reminder like, okay, wash your hands. Then we have some Dollar Tree frames. Oh, I love the way that that turned out. So it looks like she just kind of stacked this and made like a little design out of it, glued them together. Such a simple yet effective design. Looks very high end. I'm loving their space. Beautiful. And then we have another DIY artwork piece here. So let me know in the comments below, have you managed to find the time to make your own artwork design? Oh, she cut her own framing and everything. Wow, this is impressive. Painted it gold. Wow. Yeah, something of this magnitude would cost probably like about $300 or more, because those paintings can be very expensive. She did an amazing job. So she tried to do a restoration hardware dupe for this next one. Now she said that this was a fail, but I think she did a good job in my opinion. I think she did a pretty good job. Then we got a dollar store DIY white and gold design. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I love this. And we got a clock that's like on a decorative floral plate. This is really interesting. What's nice about this DIY is you can get like these fancy smashy plates from like the thrift store or an old garage sale. You could probably find some too. Another styrofoam DIY. Looks like they're making a vase, if I had to guess. Oh, I like the little print design they added. Very cool. I can't believe that's styrofoam underneath. That is crazy. Oh, a mirror DIY. So we have cardboard. This is like the go-to mirror design. Oh, they did kind of like a half shape. This is cool. Wooden beads. I love this. Wow. And then they hung it up. That's really nice. Has a very strong like tribal feel to it. Looks like they might be making like a table tray here. And then we have some paper palm leaves. I love the color scheme that they did. Pink, brown, and like a, what color would you call this green? Like a, it's not mint. Really pretty color scheme. I love this. Oh, the vase is definitely mint though. That is so gorgeous. Then we have a wall hanger. The little moon shapes. This is a really pretty color scheme too with the neutrals. And then we have another coffee inspired DIY. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out these videos with me. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.